So hello everyone and welcome to France. More importantly though, welcome to Paul Waters Carpentry, my new YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by and checking it out. So I thought I'd just come on and get my face on the screen and do a quick intro video. Just a quick backstory about me and my situation currently. So I'm just out here in the paddock now with this rat bag. There she is, her name's Fleur, she's 6 months old. She's a working Cocker Spaniel and she's part of the Chateau family here. I'm just playing a bit of ball with her with the ball thrower. So that's where I am, and in the distance there behind the trees or the woods you can see the chateau where I work and live at the moment. So a quick little backstory about me and the reasons why I ended up just throwing the ball to Fleur again, and the reasons why I ended up, or how I ended up in France. So for a number of years I was working as a window and door carpenter or installer for a company in Melbourne, Australia. And then Jade, my fiance, and myself, we purchased a country property, a lovely old church in country Victoria, and ended up moving up there because that was at the time where we wanted to base ourselves, which then gave me an opening or an opportunity to become self-employed and work for myself. And that turned out to be a great move because I had the lion's share of the work in the small community where we were living, and consequently I was able to gain a lot of work and also create a lot of good relationships and make some really great friends too. So then, due to unforeseen circumstances at that point in our life, we needed to make another change, and luckily for us we had an option. There was an old chateau in the family for quite a while, and that became a realistic option for us to pack up our lives in Australia and move to Europe. So that's exactly what we ended up doing. Just gone 12 months, sort of middle of January I think. Yeah, we got here about a year, just start of 2022. And yeah, we've been here ever since. And to be honest, I can't even explain or describe what has happened to the last 12 months. And in terms of geography, not sure whether you are a geographical person or not, but we're in northwestern France. It's about 3 hours in a car or about an hour and a half in a train southwest of Paris. So that's where we are. So the other thing I'd like to touch on is, I'm not sure how much you know about chateaus. I know there's a lot of media spotlight and television programs about chateaus, chateau lifestyle, just chateaus in France, I suppose. But chateaus are really old buildings and they need a lot of work. They need upkeep, they need maintenance, they need renovation, all depending on what your goal is or what you're going to be using them for. And there is obviously a goal here with this one. And yeah, that leads me to my next point, that what the last 12 months has done for me is it's allowed me to expand my skill set beyond carpentry. There's a lot of things in building and construction that I'd never done much of before: tiling, plastering, dealing with stonework to a degree, like as in putting shutters back on that had broken stonework. So it's effectively like hanging a door in a way. But yeah, there's a lot of different elements, and the way they do things here that is different from the way things are done in Australia and other parts of the world, I guess. Just something like framing a wall, like wall framing using metalwork rather than timber. There's a certain method and process to how to get that and how to get it right. So yes, one great element of the last 12 months has been learning those additional skills. And I should give a shout out to Steve. He's the chateau builder, and he's been here for a lot of years now, restoring this place and maintaining it, upkeeping it, renovating it. And he's been kind of like my chateau mentor in a lot of ways. He just knows everything. He's like the oracle, and he's allowed me to expand my skill set and give me a lot of additional skills that I didn't once have. He's taught me the right way, the tiling, the plastering, things like that, that have really helped me gain further knowledge and will allow me to use those skills in my future endeavours as well. So yes, a massive thank you to Steve. Anyhow, I think that just about wraps up this little introduction video. I thought it could be a cool idea to make a YouTube channel with all things carpentry from a French chateau. Show you day to day what I need to do, what my work involves, and yeah, the different elements of restoring an old chateau. So if you want to see more of my line of work at a property like this, don't forget to hit subscribe. You can grab all of the updates on my channel, my new YouTube channel, in the future. And now I have a lot of content to come and a lot of content to make. So yeah, be sure not to miss out on any of that. Anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little intro, and we'll catch up in the next one. And I meant to say, guys, if you have any questions about chateau life, France in general, yeah, chateau work, what I do, comment section below would be a great spot. Ask me anything. Bye for now.